will fly.
Welcome back to another video. Today I'm returning with another video on Oaklane Farm. So just before we get started, I want to say shout out to Angus Rawson. Really great guy, really nice guy to talk to. Made intros for Baltic Spheres channel and DJD Farming Life. So definitely go check him out on Instagram and on YouTube. Subscribe to him. I'll link his Instagram in the description. So yeah. So let's get into it. So to start off with, we've got the Massey Ferguson 135. The man's just on that, and he's just gonna go hook up the old trailer, which is in the silage clamp at the moment, to start clearing that out. TW25 is parked up along with the trailer, the two cultivators as well. Forage harvesters are back there still, not going to be used till second cut. Same with the rake in there. Post hole digger sat there as well. Won't be using that until later on this summer. Could be building some new paddocks. Hedge trimmers off the 11090 for now. So going back on soon in the late summer when the hedges need trimming again. In there, just the baler and the two seeders. Nothing much changed. Mower sat there. The Land Rover's here as well. And just here we got the 3650. That's just going to pull out the grain leg here. Probably going to sell it because we don't really need it. We don't have any bins to load it up really, so we might sell it, but we might keep it as well because we can borrow the neighbour's loader tractor and load some lorries, grain lorries with it. 2140's parked up as well. It's going to be helping out moving some stuff. It's probably going to move the post hole, the log splitter, and the bales and stuff, and the roller. Field's still growing here. Down over here, we've got the New Holland 11090. It's on the sprayer. It's just spraying off this field of wheat here. Moving on around here, it's just finished up spraying in there. You can see the track marks there. And we've got the David Brown 996 on the small fert spreader. It's just spreading this field. Be carrying silage on that, second cut silage on that soon. So that'll be going in the clamp silage as well. Moving on, nothing much going in the horse stables still. So yeah, I think they're probably going to be selling a few of their horses soon to get some new ones. Silage pit still fermenting away. So yeah, over here we just open this up here. The cows are back in. It's just been scraped out last episode, as you probably saw. They've been taken out of the field because they're spreading muck on that today. They've got the Ford TW20 on a little orange muck spreader, and T6 180 is just loading her up out of the manure pit there. Combine, cane trailer and the 5000 are parked up in that shed. And over here we got the scraper, the old Land Rover trailer and the MB track still parked up there as well. Forage wagons back over there, and all the same over there. Yeah, field's just growing away, and they're going to be fertilising that with the 11090 as well. And up here, got the 6195M on the NC mug spreader, and the neighbours have got this on demo. So yeah, that's why they've got this nice tractor here, and they put it on the muck spreader, test it out. So thank you very much guys for watching. I hope you did enjoy the video. Again, please do check out Angus Rawson, and I'll see you in the next episode. So bye.